All right, let's get into it. Today, we're uncovering the real engine behind those massive, explosive stock market breakouts. So, what actually fuels a 1,000% stock gain? Is it just pure hype or something totally measurable? Well, it's all about the C in the CAN SLIM formula, current quarterly earnings per share. As legend William O'Neill founded his research, earnings are your engine, and sales, they're the fuel. And when looking at those current quarterly earnings, O'Neill's rule is dead simple. The higher, the better. Listen, a basic 10% earnings bump, that's just not going to power a truly explosive, massive move. No way. We want to see 40, 50, or honestly, even 100% gains. Real contrast. But here's the catch. How do you measure it? Always compare to the exact same quarter last year. Why? It totally avoids seasonal distortions. You got to compare December to December, right? Never to September. Now watch how this builds. You actually want to see that earnings growth actively accelerating quarter over quarter. Trading champ Mark Minervini put super strict parameters on this exact engine with his famous SEPA strategy. He wants specific baselines. We're talking at least 20% earnings growth and 15% revenue growth, minimum. Why though? Because it proves that growth is from genuine business expansion, not just some sneaky accounting tricks. Which brings us to a huge trap. What if earnings are up 20%, but sales are completely flat? See the difference? Company A just slashed costs to look good. Company B is a real growth engine. Remember our metaphor earlier? To actually last, your earnings engine absolutely must be fueled by higher sales. History literally proves this. Dell, Cisco, Google, they all had massive earnings jumps right before their historic runs. So, your checklist: massive earnings jumps versus last year, accelerating growth, and super strong sales fuel. Because while other stuff matters, earnings per share is simply the single most critical factor in picking stocks. So, check your portfolio today. Are your stocks running on fumes or fueled up for a massive breakout?